your weekly shot of Gen AI news.
All right. Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new season of AI Espresso.
Yes, I'm so excited to be back.
You and me both. So for all our new listeners out there, AI Espresso is your weekly rundown of everything AI.
A little shot in the arm
That's a good way to put it.
of AI news.
Exactly. Every week, we deep dive into the latest and greatest developments in the world of AI.
We're talking breakthroughs, research trends, ethical considerations, and of course, the impact this all has on our lives.
Right. We want you to walk away feeling informed and ready to engage in all those fascinating AI conversations happening right now.
And this week is no exception.
No, it is not. We've got some really interesting stuff lined up.
Oh yeah, buckle up.
First up, we're talking about a brand new ChatGPT feature
Oh, this one's exciting.
that claims to take research to a whole new level, like having a personal research assistant at your fingertips.
I know.
Then we'll jump into Prime Video's latest experiment with AI dubbing,
Which honestly could be a game changer for how we watch movies.
especially for someone like me who, let's be honest, sometimes struggles to keep up with subtitle.
But guilty as charged.
And to wrap things up, we'll explore Google Search's AI mode.
Their answer to those increasingly complex questions we throw at search engines these days.
So without further ado, let's dive right in.
Let's do it.
So this new ChatGPT feature, it's being marketed as a specialized agent specifically for deep research.
Right. And this is addressing a real need because up until now, AI has been great at summarizing articles and things like that.
Right, surface level stuff.
Exactly. But when it comes to really in-depth, complex research, there's always been this question of accuracy and, can AI really go deep enough?
Right.
And that's what's so intriguing about this new agent. It's specifically designed to tackle those more complex research tasks.
So how does it work? Do they just use a super advanced algorithm or something?
Well, it's using a refined version of OpenAI's O3 model, which is known for its complex reasoning abilities.
Oh.
So instead of just pulling out key facts, it can actually analyze relationships between concepts, identify potential biases in sources, and even suggest new avenues for further investigation. It's really like having a research partner that can process massive amounts of information and help you connect the dots.
That is seriously cool, I have to say. But it does make me wonder, about the potential for bias in the AI itself.
Oh, absolutely.
How do we ensure that the information it's giving us is reliable?
That's the million-dollar question, right? And it's something we always have to be mindful of with AI,
Right.
especially in research.
Yeah,
So for now, it's still crucial to approach this tool with a critical eye,
of course.
just as you would with any research source.
Yeah.
Fact-checking, understanding the AI's limitations, all of that is super important.
Makes sense. Okay, so moving on from research to something a little more entertaining.
Yes.
AI is now being used to dub foreign films.
I know, this is so fascinating to me.
Right. As someone who, as I mentioned, sometimes struggles to keep up with subtitles,
Yeah.
I am really curious about this.
Same.
How does it actually work?
So Prime Video is kind of pioneering this.
Yeah.
They're combining AI with human expertise to improve both the quality and efficiency of dubbing.
So it's not just like a robot voiceover.
No. It's much more nuanced than that.
Right.
So they're using AI to translate the dialogue and map it to the actor's lip movements.
Oh, wow.
But then they bring in voice actors to actually refine the performance.
I see.
So they're adding that human touch.
So it's like a collaboration.
Exactly. It's a really cool blend of AI and human talent.
I like that. And they're testing this out on specific titles right now.
Yeah, they've mentioned El Cid la Leyenda and Mi Mama Laura.
Both Spanish language productions, right?
That's right.
Is there a reason they're focusing on specific languages?
That's a good question.
Yeah,
It could be a few things.
Okay.
Maybe it's about the availability of training data
that makes sense.
or the specific demands of the target audience. It's hard to say for sure, but what's clear is that this isn't just a Prime Video thing.
Oh, really?
Other companies are jumping on board too.
Like who?
Well, Deep Dub, for example, they're doing some really interesting work in AI dubbing. And YouTube is investing heavily in this technology as well.
Wow, so this could really become the norm,
It really could.
which is pretty exciting when you think about it.
It is. I mean, imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to enjoying content from all over the globe.
That would be incredible.
Yes.
And speaking of breaking down barriers,
Yes. Let's talk about Google.
Google Search is rolling out AI mode.
Powered by Gemini 2.0, their latest and greatest language model.
Exactly. So what can this AI mode do that regular Google Search can't?
Well, it's all about handling those really complex questions we talked about earlier.
Okay.
And leveraging real-time information in a way that traditional search engines just haven't been able to.
Give me an example.
Okay, imagine you're craving Mediterranean food.
Love it.
It's
Yeah.
late, you want to eat outdoors, and you're looking for a place that's open past 10 p.m.
Okay, I'm with you.
With AI mode, you could literally type in, what are the best Mediterranean restaurants near me that are open past 10 p.m. and have outdoor seating?
All in one go.
Exactly. And it'll give you a comprehensive, accurate answer in seconds.
That's amazing. No more scrolling through endless pages of search results.
Exactly. It's all about getting you the information you need quickly and efficiently.
I love it. But there's a catch, right?
There is.
It's not available to everyone.
Not yet.
So who gets access?
Well, right now it's exclusive to Google One AI premium subscribers.
So it's a paid feature.
It is.
It seems like Google's positioning this as a premium feature for those who really value those advanced search capabilities.
Right. And who are willing to pay for them.
Which makes sense. I guess AI development is expensive.
Definitely. And this could be a trend we see more of in the future as AI advancements become key differentiators in premium services.
Yeah, it makes you wonder how long it'll be before AI-powered features become the standard.
Yeah, for even everyday tasks like searching the web.
I know, it's crazy to think about. But before we get too lost in speculation, let's take a quick moment and hear a word from our sponsors.
Sounds good.
We'll be right back.
All right.
Looking to revolutionize your business processes with artificial intelligence? Meet EdicLink V8, the powerful cloud-based solution that transforms how organizations manage information and make strategic decisions. With smart automation that accelerates your workflows, cutting-edge AI for intelligent data extraction, and seamless integration with your existing systems, EdicLink delivers results. Enhance your productivity, streamline your operations, and maintain your competitive edge. EdicLink V8, the future of intelligent process management isn't coming, is here. Discover more at linkconsulting.com.
Welcome back, everyone. So before the break, we were talking about some pretty advanced AI applications.
Cutting edge stuff.
But now we're going to shift gears a little bit and talk about something that might seem a bit more, well, playful.
Yeah.
Researchers are using Super Mario Bros. To test the capabilities of AI.
I know. It sounds like they're just having fun.
It does.
But there's actually a very clever method to this madness.
Okay, enlighten me.
So the thing is, Super Mario Bros., with all its real-time challenges.
Jumping over obstacles, dodging enemies.
Exactly. It provides a really unique environment for testing AI's reasoning and decision-making abilities.
I see.
It's about seeing if these systems can think on their feet, adapt to unexpected situations.
Just like a human player.
Exactly. So it's not just about beating the game.
Right.
It's about understanding how the AI thinks while playing.
That makes a lot of sense. And who's winning so far in this AI Super Mario Bros. Showdown?
Well, Anthropic's Claude 3.7 is currently at the top of the leaderboard.
Wow, even beating out GPT 4.0 and Gemini 1.5 Pro.
That's right.
That's impressive. So what does this tell us about the state of AI development right now?
Well, I think it really highlights the diversity of the AI development landscape.
Okay.
You've got all these different companies, different approaches.
Yeah.
And it's leading to some really impressive results.
That's cool. But I imagine there are limitations to using a game like Super Mario Bros. As an AI benchmark.
Oh, absolutely.
Right. I mean, just because an AI can excel in a virtual world doesn't necessarily mean it can handle real-world complexity.
Exactly. It's important to remember that these gaming benchmarks are valuable, but they're just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to evaluating AI.
Right. It's a good reminder that AI development is still in its early stages.
Definitely. We've come a long way, but there's still so much more to explore.
Absolutely. Okay, so from Super Mario Bros. To something even more mind-boggling.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
There's this project called Project SID.
I've heard of this.
Which is using AI to create a virtual village in Minecraft.
With 1,000 AI inhabitants.
Yes. And these aren't just mindless avatars wandering around.
Yeah.
These AI players are forming roles, building structures, and interacting with each other in really complex ways.
It's like a simulated society.
Yeah. In a digital sandbox.
It's amazing.
So what kinds of behaviors are these AI players exhibiting?
Well, they're forming social hierarchies, developing belief systems. They're even engaging in pranks and environmental advocacy.
You're kidding.
I know, it's wild. And all of this is emerging without being explicitly programmed.
That is fascinating.
It really is a glimpse into the potential of AI for modeling complex systems
Yeah.
and exploring emergent behaviors.
It's mind-blowing to think that AI could be used to simulate and study things like social dynamics, economic systems, even the spread of ideas.
I know the possibilities are pretty much endless.
So what's the ultimate goal of Project SID? Where do they see this going?
Well, the team behind it envisions using these AI agents for large-scale collaboration in the future.
Okay.
Imagine using this technology to model climate change scenarios.
Wow.
Or to design more efficient cities.
That would be incredible.
The possibilities are truly vast.
I am completely blown away by everything we've talked about today.
Me too. It's amazing to see how rapidly AI is advancing.
From deep research and entertainment to gaming benchmarks and virtual societies.
It seems like there's no limit to what AI can do.
Yeah. But you know what really stuck with me today?
That's that.
It's this idea of AI creating a self-governing society in Minecraft.
Yeah, that was pretty incredible.
If AI can do that in a virtual world, what does that tell us about its potential in the real world?
It's a fascinating question.
Could this be a glimpse into the future of how we might tackle complex problems like resource management or urban planning?
It definitely makes you think.
I think so too. And on that note, we're going to wrap up this week's episode of AI Espresso. I know time flies when you're talking about AI, but be sure to tune in next week for another deep dive into the latest AI developments.
We've got some exciting stuff lined up.
We do. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep that AI curiosity brewing.
See you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Espresso. AI. Espresso. AI. Espresso. Your weekly shot of Gen AI news.